Hi students, good afternoon to all. I welcome you all in this FM lecture. In the last lecture, we have solved the problem based upon this simple heat manometer. So, what was the last problem that we have solved? Can anyone tell?
Find the vacuum pressure in pipe containing liquid of specific gravity 0.9.
Okay, I think we have solved this problem, right? So, let us solve the next problem. Write on this problem. A simple tube manometer shows mercury level 90 mm above the center of pipe. Mercury level 90 mm above the center of pipe in open limb and 60 mm below the center of pipe in left limb. Below center of pipe in left limb connected to pipe. Full stop. The pipe is horizontal. The pipe is horizontal and carries oil of specific gravity 0.8 Calculate absolute pressure in the pipe. Calculate absolute pressure in the pipe. This is the problem. So read the problem and try to draw the diagram. Mercury level 90 mm above the center of the pipe in open limb and 60 mm below the center of the pipe in left limb. Means open limb is the right limb and the mercury level is 90 mm above the center of the pipe. And in the left limb, mercury level is 60 mm below the center line. Can anyone draw the diagram here on the screen? I will draw here the pipe. This is the center, you can see. Okay, this is the diagram, and anyone can draw the remaining part of the diagram inside this. Anyone other? Draw the remaining part of the diagram. Read the problem and try to draw the diagram. Yes, anyone? We'll draw the diagram. Remaining part.
टेलियमच्या सेंटर पासून खाली पर्यंत 60 mm सर, लेफ्ट साइडला.
Okay, you draw it here. Can you draw? Let us say this is the manometric this line is there, horizontal line. Yes, Sandeep. No one is there. This is the center line of the pipe. Let us say this is point A here. Okay. So what is written here? Mercury level 90 mm above the center of the pipe in the open limb. Center of the pipe जो आहे त्याच्यापेक्षा 90 mm वरती आहे, म्हणजे हा this much reading is given here. It is 90 mm, right? And 60 mm below the center of the pipe in the left limb. So this is the left limb, and this level they are talking about. This is 60 mm. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the value of H1, H2?
0.6 मीटर,
That is
म्हणजे 60 mm H1.
H1. Okay.
H2 50.
H2 150.
150. Correct.
दोनचे addition.
Correct. So here I can write here given. Then what is specific gravity of here? Here liquid is S1.
0.8.
0.8.
So S1 is equal to 0.8. H1 is equal to 60 mm. S2 is equal to
13.6.
13.6. H2 is equal to
150.
150 mm.
60 plus 90, that is equal to 150 mm. मीटर मध्ये काय येईल? 0.06 मीटर
0.15.
0.15 meter, right? Now, apply the condition of equilibrium. Under equilibrium condition, pressure head above the datum, this XX in the left limb. That what are the pressure heads here? HA, right? HA plus H1S1 is equal to
H2.
pressure head in the right limb, which is H2S2, right? So this can be arranged as H is equal to H2S2 minus H1S1 is equal to, what is H2S2? H2 is 1.15 meter मध्ये 0.15 into S2 13.6 minus, what is H1?
0.06.
0.06 into
into
0.8.
S1 0.8.
8.
So after calculation, what you get?
1.992.
19.54. 0.992 meter of water. 992 meter
992.
meter of
water.
water. Okay, so have attention here. Though the liquid present in the pipe here, it is having specific gravity 0.8, that oil is flowing there, but here we are writing here it is meter of water. Okay, so we have to multiply that pressure intensity by water, that weight density of water only. Okay, जे आपण सुरुवातीला लिहून घेतलेलं आहे, that same thing. So 9810 multiplied by 1.99, or you can take it as a round figure 2. So 9810 into 2 you can make here
19.
okay, 620 kilo Newton per meter square. आपण हे किलो मध्ये केलं तरी 19 पॉइंट येईल, अदरवाइज 19,620 would be the answer. In now this is your gauge pressure. आपल्याला जो प्रेशर सांगितलेला आहे, कॅल्क्युलेट द ऍब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर म्हटलेलं आहे, राईट? व्हॉट इज ऍब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर? द प्रेशर विच इज मेजर्ड फ्रॉम द ऍब्सोल्यूट लाईन, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज ऍब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर. याशी आपण डायग्राम आठवती, हा ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशरची लाईन येत होती आणि या ठिकाणी एक पॉइंट होता, ठीक आहे? इथून ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर पासून जो मोजलेला प्रेशर आहे दॅट इज गेज प्रेशर, आणि इथून खालून जो मोजलेला प्रेशर आहे इथपर्यंतचा दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज दी ऍब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर, P ऍब्सोल्यूट. व्हॉट वॉज द फॉर्म्युला? P ऍब्सोल्यूट इज इक्वल टू P ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्लस P गेज प्रेशर. मग आता हा जो आपण प्रेशर मेजर करतो विथ हेल्प ऑफ एनी प्रेशर मेजरिंग डिव्हाइसेस, जसं की बॉर्डन टू प्रेशर गेज असेल किंवा मॅनोमीटर असेल, तर हा आपला गेज प्रेशर आहे. सो दिस प्रेशर इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ P गेज. ओके, आणि आपल्याला काय पाहिजे? P ऍब्सोल्यूट. सो P ऍब्सोल्यूट इज इक्वल टू P गेज, P atmosphere plus P gauge. What is atmospheric pressure? 101.325. Okay,
Plus
it is in kilonewton. आता आपण हा पण किलोमीटर मध्येच लिहिलेला आहे. सो 19.620 हा किलोमीटर मध्ये ऍड करा, देन you will get
120.62.
19.62 plus 101.325 is equal to 10120 945 kilonewton per meter square. So this will be your required answer. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the problem. And you can see here the answer. 120.86 something is written here. Let us check here why there is somewhat correction. 19.54. Okay, 1.99. There we have
केल्यामुळे
taken,
फक्त 1.99.
instead of taken, we have taken 2 here. Okay, so that's why there is some slight variation in the answer is there. They have taken 1.99 itself, and they have got this 19.54, and we have got here 19.62, right? So So that is the only difference here. Other things are same. So note it down this problem. It is important because here you have learned 2 lessons, 2 new points here, that though liquid of any specific gravity it is present inside this flowing through the pipe, even though we whatever the head we get, it is that head is it is in the meter of water, okay, that we get, and we have to multiply that value by 9810 only, and we will get that value in Newton per meter square here. And to convert whatever the pressure we get with the help of any pressure measuring device like manometer, pressure gauge, that pressure is called as the gauge pressure. And if you add the atmospheric pressure in that gauge pressure, then we get the absolute pressure, right? So this thing is also new in this particular problem. Okay, so all of you note this problem in your notebook.
Sir,
Yes.
the absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure plus or minus the gauge pressure आहे ना सर? ते लास्ट पॉइंट सर.
बरोबर.
तिथं मायनस कधी घ्यायचं, व्हॅक्युम प्रेशर असेल तर मायनस घ्यायचं का सर?
हा राईट. ज्यावेळेस ते तुम्ही डायग्राम बघा, त्याच्यामध्ये डायग्राम मध्ये जर आपण पाहिलं तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल आपण त्यावेळेस मायनस कधी घ्यायचं ते. सी देअर इन द डायग्राम, अशी डायग्राम आपण काढलेली आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशरची लाईन ही आहे, पी ऍटमॉस्फिअर, ठीक आहे, आणि दिस इज द ऍब्सोल्यूट झिरो प्रेशर, राईट. जर व्हॅक्युम प्रेशर असेल त्या केसमध्ये हा जो प्रेशर आहे हा पण आपला गेज प्रेशरच आहे. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशरच्या रेफरन्सने आपण मेजर केलेला आहे, मायनस समथिंग सपोज 3.4, ओके, हे काय तुमचा प्रेशर आला असेल मीटर ऑफ वॉटर. अँड इथून जर आपण हा प्रेशर मेजर केला तर हा तुमचा झाला पी ऍब्सोल्यूट, राईट. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस निगेटिव्ह प्रेशर तुम्ही मेजर करतात त्यावेळेस जर आपल्याला कन्व्हर्जन करायचं असेल तर त्या केसमध्ये आपल्याला हे असं केलं पाहिजे. मग त्या केसमध्ये पी ऍब्सोल्यूट इज इक्वल टू फॉर्म्युला काय येईल आपला, मग पी ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर मायनस पी गेज प्रेशर, ओके. त्या केसमध्ये हा फॉर्म्युला येईल. आणि ज्यावेळेस पॉझिटिव्ह प्रेशर आपण मेजर करतो त्यावेळेस काय येईल फॉर्म्युला, पी ऍब्सोल्यूट इज इक्वल टू पी ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर प्लस पी गेज प्रेशर, ओके. मग त्यामुळे हा प्लस आणि हातला मायनस, हा प्लस मायनस आपण या ठिकाणी या फॉर्म्युलेमध्ये आपण वापरलेला आहे. मग हा जर निगेटिव्ह प्रेशर असेल त्या केसमध्ये मायनस का करतोय आपण, कारण ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर जो आहे तिथून आपण हा प्रेशर या ठिकाणी मेजर करतो. मग हे मायनस आपण काय करायचं, ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशरची जी व्हॅल्यू आहे, ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशरची व्हॅल्यू किती असते, 101.325, राईट. यातून जो काही प्रेशर त्या ठिकाणी निगेटिव्ह प्रेशर आलेला असेल तो त्यातून काय करायचा, गेज प्रेशर हा मायनस करायचा. then you will get that absolute pressure there, okay. Have you got it?
Yes sir.
Okay, now you can solve this problem by other method also. You can have the practice of solving the problem by other method also. If you don't get the answer or somewhere you stuck there, you can solve this problem by other method also. What is that other method? Directly using the pressure intensities at the under equilibrium condition, pressure intensity in the left limb is equal to pressure intensity in the right limb above the datum. So what is the pressure intensity in the left limb? That is PA plus या ठिकाणी gamma 1 H1, okay. This is the gamma 1 H1 and this is the PA pressure intensity here is equal to gamma 2 H2. So here PA is equal to Kyle gamma 2 H2 minus gamma 1 H1. मग तुम्हाला हे दोन्ही पण आन्सर त्या ठिकाणी सेम येतात काय तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी कम्पेअर करू शकताय. Gamma 2 या ठिकाणी is nothing but it is the weight density of mercury. So 13.6 multiplied by 9810, right. Why we are multiplying it here? Because we are interested in gamma 2 here. So 9810 gamma W into S2, okay, into what is H2 here? That is 0.15 minus gamma 1, that is 9810 into 0.8 into 0.06, okay. आता या ठिकाणी दोन्हीचं सबट्रॅक्शन करा, कॅल्क्युलेशन करा आणि पहा उत्तर किती येते ते. 13.6 into 9810 into 0.15 minus 9810 into 0.8 into 0.06, and you will get the answer Here same answer that I have got here, that is 19,540 1.52 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. ओके, आणि ते जर आपण किलोमीटर मध्ये केलं तर काय येईल हे 19.54. आर यू गेटिंग द सेम आन्सर?
Yes.
Okay, so you can use any of this formula to get the answer. That two steps methods I have told you. You taught you how to find out the total pressure. Especially inside the pipe. Yes, everyone, are you solving with this method also? Everyone got this? What I have done here? Yes, Daulappa. Namdev. Namdev, do you want to ask something? Namdev Chavan. Namdev Chavan. Your voice is not reaching. Hello. Okay. Anyone? Is there any difficulty in understanding the problem? Okay. Now let us move ahead. This is the another problem. Just somewhat change is there in the problem. So you need to solve it. Okay, you can solve this problem at home. Draw the diagram. Find the pressure in the pipe as shown in figure. Find the pressure in pipe as shown in figure. Or you can solve this problem here also. Within a minute, you can solve this answer. You will get the answer. Okay, if I take the calculator directly here and if you go on solving, then I will get this answer within a minute. So like also you can solve 9810 into 0.8 into 0.2 plus 9810 into 13.6 into 0.3 minus 0.4 into 9810 is equal to 0. I got the answer. 1 minute पण नाही लागला. Yes, anyone? If you got the answer, you can put your answer in the chat window. Wait fast. If I am getting answer in 1 minute, you should get at least within 2 minutes the answer for this problem. Alright, no one is putting the answer. You are taking time in drawing the diagram, I think. Yes, anyone? Is it required to give the hint to solve this problem?
सर केरोसिनची स्पेसिफिक ग्रॅव्हिटी काय दिसत नाही.
Ashichi,
केरोसिन
it is given here, no? 0.8. It is 0.8.
तर ते सेंटीमीटरचं कन्वर्जन करायचंय का?
Yes, you need to do it conversion because you are going to take the value of weight density of water as 9810 and it is in Newton per meter cube. Right, that's why. You have to convert that in meter. Yes, anyone? Why this much time you are taking? See, what is the logic here to solve the problem? Already we have discussed in many times. Pressure head in the left limb above the datum is equal to the pressure head in the right limb. That is the concept or the logic. So what are the pressure head in the left limb? Let us say it is a HA and this is a H1. This has a H2 and this has a H3. Okay, specific gravity here, let us say S1, here taking S2 and here S3. Now tell me, who will tell me what are the left pressure head in the left limb?
S1 is equal to HA is equal to S1 into H1, sir.
HA plus
H1 plus H1 into S1 is equal to right limb.
right limb मध्ये काय?
S2 into H2 into S2.
Only this much? Yes, Mansi, do you want to say? Mansi.
ते H3S3.
Only H3S3.
plus H2S2.
Okay, then H is equal to minus.
Minus H1S1.
Hmm.
S1.
Okay, someone has put the answer in the chat window. Mangedkar and Ganesh. 37.67, correct. 37.67. Both have got the same answer. Anyone else? See, likewise, here you can add number of columns. इकडे पण एखादा कॉलम परत वाढवला असेल. ओके, दुसरं कुठलं तरी लिक्विड आहे दिलेलं या ठिकाणी असेल आणि परत या ठिकाणी अजून एखादं लिक्विड असेल तर तसं तेवढंच परत इकडे इकडे ऍडिशन करायची, इकडे पण ऍडिशन करायची. हा जो कॉलम आहे त्याची लेफ्ट साईडला ऍडिशन करायची आणि या ठिकाणी जर कॉलम दिला असेल तर त्याची राईट साईडला ऍडिशन करायची.
तर आता पहिला H2 घेतलं तर काय होतं राईट लाईनला?
चालतं की मागाशी त्यांनी सांगताना H3S3 पहिल्यांदा सांगितलं म्हणून मी पहिल्यांदा H3S3 लिहिलं.
ठीक आहे, त्यासाठी पहिला माझा मिस्टेक झाला म्हणून विचारलं.
हा, डो नॉट गेट कन्फ्युज. हे अगोदर लिहिलं काय नंतर लिहिलं काय फरक पडत नाही. H2S2 प्लस H3S3 असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल.
ओके सर.
Shubhangi and Priyanka, they have got the correct answer. So let's move ahead. 37.67 kilometer per meter square is the answer for this. Vijay Rathod, it's got the same answer. It gives the scope to think on various think in various direction. Okay, so, nice kind of problems are there here which require some imagination. So you can note down this problem. Write down a right limb of simple YouTube manometer containing mercury. The right limb of simple YouTube manometer containing mercury is open to atmosphere while left limb is connected to the pipe in which fluid of specific gravity 0.9 is flowing. While left limb is connected to a pipe in which fluid of specific gravity 0.9 is flowing. To stop. The center of the pipe is 12 centimeter below the level of mercury in the right limb. The center of the pipe is 12 centimeter below the level of mercury in the right limb. Find the pressure of the fluid in the pipe. Find the pressure of fluid in the pipe if difference of mercury in the two limb is 20 centimeter. If difference of mercury in the two limbs is 20 centimeter. Yes, who will draw the diagram? I will create here one sketch. And then you have to draw the remaining part in this diagram. Yes, who will draw the diagram? here, let us say this is the center line. Read the problem, draw the diagram. Your correctness of your answer depends upon your correctness of your diagram. If your diagram is wrong, means your perception, if you are thinking regarding the problem, if it is going in wrong direction, you will be definitely draw the diagram wrongly, and definitely you will get the wrong answer. Draw the diagram wrong. So the whole game here, it is regarding understanding the problem clearly and drawing the diagram rightly. If anyone has understood the problem, Anisha has put the answer in the chat window. Can you draw the diagram, remaining part of the diagram here, Anisha Godse?
No, sir, but I will tell.
Okay, tell then what I have to do in the left limb and what I have to do in the right limb. Let us say this is the mercury level in the left limb to here. Okay. Should I take the mercury level above the center line, or should I keep this this mercury level in the right limb below the center line?
Above the center line.
Above the center line. Okay, I will draw this. Let us say up to this point. I have drawn. This is the mercury level in the right limb. So what is given in the problem? Here,
Yes, one.
yes, one is given. Okay, 0.9, right? Center line of the pipe is 12 centimeter below the level of mercury in the right limb. 12 centimeter below means what I have to do? Should I write 12 here?
Yes.
It is 12 centimeter. Okay. And then find the pressure of the fluid in the pipe if the difference of the mercury level in the two limb is 20 centimeters. So what is 20 centimeter here?
H2.
H2.
Means this from this level up to this level, this difference is given as 20 centimeters. Okay. Then tell me what is the value of H1 here?
8 centimeters. Or 20 minus 12 correct.
20 minus 12, it will be 8 centimeters. 0.08 meter. Right. S2, mercury, 13.6. H2, it is equal
20
to
centimeters.
20 centimeter or 0.2 meter. Okay. Who will tell me the equation?
HA plus H1
H1 S1 plus H2.
equal to H2 S2.
Equal to H2 S2. HA is equal to H2 S2
H2 minus H1 S1.
Put the values and get the answer. H2
2.64.
into 13.6 minus 0.08 into 0.9.
0.9.
Okay. Put your answers in the chat window. 0.2 into 13.6 minus 0.9 into 0.08. 2 point H is equal to
2.648.
59, sir.
meter of water, right? Multiplied by 9810, and you will get here PA is equal to
20.5.97.
2 point 2.648 is equal to 25.976
976.
Newton per meter square. Yes, everyone got the same answer. 25 point. Only Anisha has put the answer in the chat window. Other students, put your answers. Those who have got the answers, you can put your answers in the chat box. See here the answer. 25 point. $25.97. The answer is correct. Yes, is there any difficulty in understanding this problem? Anyone? Akash, Gaikwad, Akshata, Ganesh, then Shubhangi, Mansi, and Priyanka and Aditya. These students have got the answer. What about the remaining students? There are 33 students are there in the session. Only these 5 students have got the answer. What about the remaining students? Why are you doing this much late in getting the answer? Okay, Sandeep have taken got the value of HA. Find the value of PA. Aditya Saunke 25.9. Okay. Shruti. Okay. Okay. Ketan, you have to fill this. You have to do this work in break, na? Or if any lecture is going off during that time, you can do that work. Should we go for the next? Okay, Vijay also has got the answer. Now, let us have the next problem here. Simple U-tube manometer containing mercury is connected to a pipe. Write down. Simple U-tube manometer containing mercury is connected to a pipe in which oil of specific gravity 0.85 is flowing. In which oil of specific gravity 0.85 is flowing. Full stop. The pressure in pipe is vacuum. Pipe मध्ये pressure जो आहे तो vacuum pressure आहे. The other end of manometer is open to the atmosphere. other end of manometer is open to atmosphere. Full stop. Find the vacuum pressure in the pipe. Find the vacuum pressure in pipe. Full stop. If difference of mercury level in two limbs, if difference of mercury level in two limbs is 260 millimeter and height of oil in the left limb from the center of the pipe is 170 mm below. The height of oil in the left limb from the center of the pipe is 170 mm below. Okay, this is the problem, and you have to draw the diagram for this. I will draw here the half part of the diagram. If anyone is interested, you can draw the remaining half part. Okay, this is the half part that I have drawn. This is the center line of the pipe. Do anyone want to draw the diagram here? Let us say this is the HA. This is the center line of the pipe. Write down the problem first, then try to draw the diagram. I will take your attendance. Okay, I have taken your attendance now. Yes, anyone? Okay. You are putting the answers in the chat box but not drawing the diagram. What is the reason? Are you unable to draw the diagram? Anisha has got answer minus 36 point. Aditya Saranth has got 33 point. Aditya, your answer, I think it has gone wrong. Prakash has got answer minus. Okay, that is correct. 3610. See here, as a vacuum pressure is there, you should answer you should be minus. Akash Gaikot, can you draw the diagram here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Are you getting that pointer? Are you watching the this lecture on the phone or on the laptop or desktop?
On.
Okay, then in phone, if you see their sidebar, there will be some tools will be there. You have to drag it.
सर मी सांगू का म्हणजे ड्रॉइंग ड्रॉ करण्यापेक्षा
Okay, you tell.
सर पेसिफिक ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी ऑफ वॉटर 0.850 दिले 850 mm दिले मग त्याचं कन्वर्ट केलं 0.85 केलं पुन्हा H2 दिलंय 260 mm त्याचं 0.26 मीटर मध्ये केलं पुन्हा H3 दिलंय
Diagram तुम्हाला सांगा. This is the mercury level here. Okay. Or here. आता आपण व्हॅक्युम प्रेशर चेक करतोय त्यामुळं लोअर लेवल ही कुठं असेल राईट साईडला असेल ओपन लिंब मध्ये असेल आणि हायर लेवल इकडं असेल या साईडला. सो वी कॅन से दॅट दिस इज द mercury level in the left limb and right limb, right? These are the mercury levels. Now, first of all, here, what is this 260? Difference of mercury level in the two limb is 260. म्हणजेच हा difference जो आहे, this difference is of 260 mm, right? And then what is else given? Left limb from the center of the pipe is 170 mm below. Center of the pipe पासून हा left limb जो आहे त्यातला हा level, okay, it is 170 mm below. Now Akash, tell me what is the value of H1 here?
Hello sir 170 mm.
Okay, 170 means 0.17
Point-
meter. S1,
0.170 meter.
okay, S1,
0.85 meter. 0.85. No unit.
H2,
0.26 meter.
S2.
Mercury 30.6.
Okay, what is the formula? Left limb मध्ये काय काय येणार? HA plus
HA plus H1 plus S1
H1
plus
S1
H
H2 is equal to
0.
कारण या ठिकाणी nothing is there, air is there, atmospheric pressure is there, and atmospheric pressure is gauge pressure, atmospheric pressure is considered as 0, right? So 0 head will be there. Then if we rearrange these terms, HA is equal to take this
Mine.
both terms here on the right hand side. You will get here H1S1 plus H2 black plus H2S2 bracket complete, right? Put this value and you will get this H1S1 H2S2 value. HA is equal to, you will get in minus 0.85 into 0.17 plus 0.26 into 13.6 is equal to 3.68, right?
Minus 3.68
3.68
meter of water.
liter of water. Then PA is equal to minus multiplied by 9 at 10 Jeff. You will get here minus 36,105.7 per meter square. Okay.
Right.
And if you convert that in Newton per kilonewton, then it will be PA is equal to 36.105 kilonewton per meter square. Okay. So this is the answer, and let me check in the chat window. How many of you have got the answer? Shruti Mangedkar, your answer in you have written in positive value. Actually, it is the minus sign to be there. Priyanka Babar, underscore you have written there. As it is it minus sign? Then Mansi, okay, you have written answer in there minus. Okay, if now here see, I have written this answer is positive, but here you can write in bracket vacuum. Okay, जर तुम्ही पॉझिटिव्ह आन्सर लिहिला असेल तर ते ब्रॅकेट मध्ये व्हॅक्यूम लिहा, अदरवाइज मायनस साइन यू टू पुट देयर. Mansi has got the answer. Then Akshata, vacuum. Okay, and only this much students. Other students have not solved the problem, or they are solving it. Okay, now we are going to stop here because other session is there, lecture is there. So let's stop here. Sir might have started the lecture there. So you can Sati sir, am I?
Yes, sir.
Should I stop here now?
Okay, no issue, sir. If you want to continue, you can. Otherwise, I can conduct.
Okay, sir. If you have joined the session now, you can continue it, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Should I keep this on?